Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to change the background color of a div element on hover. As you can see, I got a div element here. The background color of this div element is green. Now, when I will take my mouse over this div element, I'll get a different color. If I'll take my mouse off, I'm getting the previous color, which is green. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we only need one div element and it will have no content. Save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select div element. Give it a height of 300 pixels. Width will be same, 300 pixels. Margin will be 30 pixel and auto. Border will be 1 pixel solid white. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Background color will be green. Transition will be background color. 0.5 second ease. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Now when I will take my mouse over this div element, you can see nothing is happening. To make it work, I have to use a pseudo class on the div element. So let's go to CSS file. So here we'll select div element with the pseudo class hover. And here we'll change the background color to dark cyan. Save it. Now go to browser. Now take the mouse over the div element. You can see we are getting a dark cyan color. Now take it off and we are getting a green color. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.